Hey gang, welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. Okay, it's your girl Jeanina here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. And today's video is going to be a fun video. I always feel like unboxings are super lit over here. Okay, maybe it's just me, girl, because y'all know I'm just a little old nurse. Okay, I'm just a little old nurse who likes makeup and stuff. Okay, but today's video is going to be an unboxing of a mystery box of a company that I have never purchased from before, Ncla Beauty. Okay, let me tell y'all a little story, girl. I was on the hunt, okay, for a lip scrub because for some reason, I feel like my lips are getting darker. I don't know if it's because it's winter and they're dry, or I don't know, girl. But I feel like my lips are getting darker and I want to lighten my lips, okay? Call me what you want. I want pink lips, okay? So I was in the market for a lip scrub because my other place called Half Caked Makeup, I don't know if you guys know them. Oh my God. If you guys don't know Half Caked, please go pay Half Caked some attention, okay? Because Half Caked makeup is so bomb. They have the best lippies. I have almost every single liquid lipstick they have. Anyway, Half Caked is where I normally get my lip scrubs from, and I went on their page to kind of, you know, get me another one, and they didn't have any more. So I was like, okay, so I guess I need to find another place that makes lip scrubs, because I guess Half Caked isn't making any more lip scrubs. Like, if you guys know what I'm talking about, put down in the comment section, like, did Half Caked announce that they're not going to make any more sugar scrubs? Like, sugar scrubs, girl? Like, what is it, honey? Me and my homegirls, we confused. So anyway, I was searching lip scrubs on Instagram, and I found this company, and it was just so cute. I had to try it, okay? So I actually purchased a lip scrub kit that we're gonna get into, and I purchased a lip mystery box. They had lip mystery boxes, you guys. So anyway, let's get into this video. Run the footage, girl, okay? Here's my box, you guys, okay? It did just come in the mail because I just purchased it, so it was really fast shipping. Okay, no problems with this. So I already opened the box, as you can see, and this is what came inside of it. So a little card here that says Happy Holidays, and then on the back it has like a discount code to use, but it says it expires January 31st. So I don't know if I'll purchase anything else, because this might last me, you know, so we'll see. But you get a card with like a discount code, and then they also give you some little holiday stickers, girl. Okay, so cute. I'm not a sticker girl, but my daughter is, so I'll give my daughter the stickers. Okay, so before we pull out the mystery box, I'm gonna show you guys the lip scrub kit, you guys. Okay, and it was super duper affordable. Okay, so I don't remember the price. I'll put the price on the screen for each and everything. So I just feel like it was super duper affordable, and they have Afterpay. Need I say any more? Okay, so this is the pink champagne lip scrub set. So it says right here, sugar and balm babe. So it's a set. So they sell lip scrubs separate, and then they sell balm separate, but they also have these cute little like dual packs where you can get both, right? So this is how it looks. Look at the packaging. Look how cute that is. And this is pink champagne. Is it called pink champagne? Yes. This is the flavor or the smell, pink champagne. And look how cute that is. Okay, look how cute. So on the back, it says Balm Babe, 100% natural lip balm. And then the Sugar is 100% natural lip scrub. Okay, so let's open it, because I am super duper interested in new things. Like, I just love when companies come up with like, or I don't even know if this company is new. This company might be established, because it seemed like it was established, but I'm so glad I came across it. Okay, so this is how the two looks here. I'm guessing this is the balm and this is the scrub. Let's see. So that's how, yeah, so this is the sugar. That's how it looks. Really cute packaging, huh? Really cute. Oh, you guys. And it smells so good. It smells like a pink strawberry or a pink champagne. So here's the scrub right here. I wish you guys can smell it. Smell it. Smell it. I wish you guys can smell it through the phone. It smells like a pack of nerds or something. It just smells so good. And let me test it. Let me see. Okay, and it's nice and thick because I like my sugar scrubs very thick, so it's nice and thick. And then this is the balm here. So this is how the balm looks. And it's much smaller than the scrub. Okay. And let's see. Oh, and it smells the same. And it comes with like a little tab here. So then we would pull it off. I mean, we don't know. Well, you know what? Let's pull it off. Because I want to feel the consistency. Like, my favorite balm or like overnight balm is Laneige. That's my favorite balm. But it's super expensive. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty thick. Okay, it might not be Laneige, girl, but this is affordable and it's cute and it smells really good and it's thick. Okay, so I feel like this is definitely gonna get the job done. Okay, and it's affordable. It's affordable, girl. It's really affordable. So just wanted to share with you guys my little lip scrub purchase. Okay, I'm gonna try it out. And if I like them, girl, I'm going to buy some more. Like, especially these little kits. I'm going to buy some more. Especially for, like, my daughter and stuff like that. So, anyway. Let's get into the box. Okay, this is the mystery box itself. Look how cute it is. It's just a cute little box. Look how cute it looks. It has, like, all the little lip stuff all around it, and then the Ncla Beauty right there. Look how cute. Okay, so I'm already impressed with the packaging. Y'all know me. I love the packaging, girl. Okay, so opening up, I see we have 4 things here. 4 things. So that's pretty good. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but like I said, it will be on the screen, but that's pretty good for 4 items because I don't think I paid a lot. So let's dig in. The first thing I'm pulling out is, it says glossed. Okay, and it says it is High Shine Lip Gloss, and it's in, I guess, the shade or the smell La Cienega. That's what it looks like. I guess, is that the color? And it has like a little cruelty-free bunny, so everything is cruelty-free for all my cruelty-free girls or all my vegan girls. Or not vegan. It just says cruelty-free girl. Also, this is how it looks. It's a cute little gloss. And it looks like it has just a tint of color. It smells nice. So let's see. Okay. So it's just like a high shine gloss. It's probably not going to have much color. But it's still cute, right? For a little mystery box, y'all. Okay, that's still cute. Also, I have here, it says birthday cake. Oh, another balm. So this is another balm birthday cake. Let's open this up and see. I'm curious about these little balms. I can't wait to try it. Like, it's going to be the first thing I try tonight is the scrub and the balm. Okay, so this is how the birthday cake balm looks. And let's open it. Ugh, it smells so good. Okay. So the same consistency. So, girl, this feels like some bomb stuff. Okay, this feels like some bomb stuff. So this feels like it's gonna get the job done. So we got a birthday cake balm so far and a lip gloss, and then this is a black cherry sugar scrub. So I got another scrub, girl. So yeah, I'm good on scrubs at least for a few months. So this is how it looks here, black cherry, and that's the packaging. Let's smell it because I'm not really a cherry fan. I don't really like cherry pie or anything with cherries in it. I like sundaes with cherry on top, but I won't eat the cherry. You know what I mean? I'm not a cherry fan. Oh, okay. So, yeah, girl, this smells like straight up cherry. So, like I said, I'm not really a cherry fan, but I mean, it's a free scrub, so I can still use it. Okay, because like I said, I need some more scrubs. So this one right here it's called, it says Pucker Up, and it's in the color Brentwood Sage. And I wonder if this is the lip gloss. It doesn't say. Oh, it says Intense Lipstick. Okay, so they also have lipsticks. I didn't know they had lipsticks. I just thought it was like scrubs, and then they had like nail stuff too. So let's open this up. Oh, look at their packaging. It's cute. It reminds me of low-key KKW a little bit. Or Kylie with this like light pink, plain type of packaging. Oh, and it's a traditional lipstick, girl. So that's the color. Let's swatch it. It's okay. It's a cute basic color, okay, for the basic girls. And when I want to be basic, but I'm not really a bullet lipstick girl, so I probably won't really use this. I'll probably give this to my daughter because I love liquid lips, okay? I need my lipstick to stay on all day, girl. So anyway, that's what we got in this Ncla Beauty mystery box, you guys. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys it. And maybe you guys have bought from this company before. Let me know down in the comments below. Just a quick little video, guys. Just a quick little video to show you guys my little goodies of what I got, okay? So anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know how you guys feeling about Ncla Beauty already. Have you tried them before, girl? Like, let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, girl. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time the gang posts a video, okay? And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.